In our previous video, I became overly emotional about the winter's end and almost forgot to give the beautiful sweet green peas the credit they deserve. So here I am again with mom's special peas pulao. Matar pulao is a popular Indian rice dish that is a staple in many households. The dish is made by cooking basmati rice with green peas and a blend of aromatic spices such as cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaves, and cumin. It is a quick and easy one pot meal that is perfect for busy weekdays or as a side dish to accompany your favorite curry. The juicy sweetness of the green peas perfectly complements the fluffy rice and spices, making every bite a burst of flavor. You can find all the ingredients and the detailed recipe in the description box. Matar pulao is in fact a dish that is loved by people of all ages and is sure to be a crowd pleaser at any gathering or celebration. So if you're wondering what to make for the next party you're hosting or just want to level up your simple white rice, then this is the recipe that you should definitely try. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel The Kunar Cooks.